Hey guys, Spencer Coffman here. If you are struggling to leave your Facebook groups, or you are a member of a bunch of groups and you don't want to click on each and every group and go into it, click the leave and then go back and start over, then this video is going to help you. You are going to learn how to leave your Facebook groups with one simple click. So it's very, very simple, very straightforward. You get a list of your Facebook groups and you can simply scroll through and click the leave button to get rid of any groups you no longer want to be a part of. So to get started, get on your mobile device and open up Facebook. And when you are on your menu or your profile, you can see there are several different options to click on, all these different memories and reels and marketplace and dating. Click on the groups one, so it should be toward the top. Then you're going to see all of your groups. There'll be a for you, your groups, posts, discover, manage, all of this will be at the top. Forget all that. What you need to do now, depending on your version of Facebook, this could be a little different. So you're either going to look for a little gear icon up in the top corner, the top right corner. It'll be like a little gear or a wheel. Otherwise, it'll be a little person. So mine is a person. It just updated. So I'll touch that. And then it's going to open up a thing called group settings. Here, you can do all kinds of different things with your groups. What we're interested in is the bottom one. It says membership, leave groups that no longer interest you. So touch that, and then you can see a whole bunch of groups. There are all kinds of groups that you are a part of. So you can simply scroll through, and if there are any that you don't want to be in, you click leave. So I'll just touch this one, leave. Are you sure you want to leave this group? Leave group. Boom, done. It's gone. It's off the list. Scroll through. You can get rid of any other groups. This pops up here. You have left this group. Do you want to report it? No, we don't care about that. So get rid of that. It says I left the group. So scroll through. You can leave any groups you would like very, very simply, very, very easily in only a few clicks. So if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Also, hopefully this video helped you out. Consider checking out our other videos if you have any other questions or needs about Facebook, and we will be there to help get those problems solved for you. Thank you. Until next time.